Hi, welcome to Expert Tutor. And this class, in this lesson, you will learn how to make a business card like this. This is the front of our business card, and this is the back of business card. So let's start. First, you have to press Ctrl N or just go to File and New. Then here you have to select the artboard because we have two pages. One is for front side and the other is for back side, so we will select artboard, and here we will select inches instead of pixels and give it width of 3.5 and height of 2, and the resolution will be 300. Just that and press OK. So we have artboard 1. Just change its name to front. Now just click this icon by the move tool, and now just click this plus icon. It will make another copy for our back side. Now change it to back. That's it. Now we have two pages, so we'll make our design very easily on these two pages. First we will take for this side. You are seeing this. For this designs curves we will take help of rectangle. So by just going there and select the rectangle and draw a shape in size like that. Now just goes to direct selection tool and select this one. Select only this point, and with the left key, arrow key, this operation will turn a live shape to a particular path. Just click yes, and with the left arrow key just move it a little bit near to the other point. That's it. After doing this, just press hold Alt and take a copy, or just press Ctrl J. So I have already take the copy and press hold shift so that align with the other end. Just bring it there. Now press Ctrl T and flip horizontal and then flip vertical. So that's it. Now we have to give the background color. So for the background color, I will just select this layer 1 and the front layer 1 and goes to solid color, and the background color I have selected is 231F20. That's I have selected. You can give it any color of your choice. So after this, just bring your logo there. I have already created. I will drag my logo there and I will resize it holding Alt and Shift. That's it. That's the front of our card. Now for the back side, we'll repeat the same process. Take the rectangle tool and just take in size like that and get a color of white. Now with the direct selection tool, select this point and press left arrow key, and yes, and just go like, and now select these 2 points just like that. That's it. Now repeat the same process. Select this and give it a background color. Now we will select solid color and just copy this and press OK. Now take rectangle up of the color. Now just lock this and lock this. This is the back side you are looking. Let's look at. Now I am going to copy this. Just press hold Alt and copy there, and now resize it and the size. You are looking there. You have home address, this rectangle for home address. I will make a rectangle size like that, and repeating the same process. Take the direct selection tool, just select this and press hold left key. Hold left key to 6 times. So just you get shape like that. After doing this, now lock it and goes to this ellipse tool and make circles, small circles, one for email. Now we will take copies of these, one for email and one for phone and one for web. This is one for email, one for phone, one for web, www if you have any web page or websites, and the one is for the address. I will just make it white and give it stroke of 2 and drop shadow like 7 distance 7 same here. Just look it and copy. Now I will give this stroke 2 and drop shadow, and okay, and I'll just copy this layer style and paste here. Now select this and paste here, just move it here. So now I will select, now I am going to just bring it down and select these and distribute its distance. So that's it. Now I am select this and just move a little bit left side. Okay, for the name I am just going to select the text type tool, text, and Calibri bold is selected, and type your name. I'm just going to type, sorry, I have another, I'm just going to type Steve Smith, and just make it large inside like that. Give it a size of 12 or 13. Now take copy of this, give it, name it manager, and give it a size of 7 or 8. And for this I will choose color, I choose this one, and for Steve Smith I will choose color little bit dark, more darker than this. So that's the, I will just take, we have, you are seeing, we will take a rectangle here like this, that's it, and we will just bring it there and make us little bit larger in size. Okay, now in this icon there we will put icons. For icons I will go to this rectangle and custom shape tool. I already selected the phone. Here is the phone, where it is here. The phone, just shape, holding space, you can bring it there. Now hold shift and type, hold shift and draw the shape in size like that, and give it a color of white. Now goes again to custom shape tool and select this web address and hold space and just bring it there and hold a shift and just give a size like that and give it a fill color of white. Okay, okay. Now again go to custom shape tool and select the message icon or email address icon. Just select it, is where it is, this is, hold shift, just bring it here, and again go to blending option and change its color to white. So now select these two and align it vertically and horizontally. Select these two, align it vertically and horizontally, and these two and horizontally. For the address, I have already downloaded this from the noun project. You can download it and just copy it and paste it here. Just convert to smart size and then blending option, color overlay, and make it blue and size color like that, and now resize it. Sorry, hold Alt and Shift and resize it. Now just put your email, phone, web address, whatever you have, www.anything.com. Sorry, I have made mistakes. .com, and same here, you can give it any email at gmail.com, and for the phone you can give it any phone number. That's it. That is the panel, and here you can put your address. So this is the panel view of our front card. This is the final view, and this is our back side. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.